Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Janskatta Karen News YouTube channel. I am Dr. Rabindranath Pati, editor-in-chief of this YouTube channel. Ladies and gentlemen, our history has recorded the dark as glorious as life of most beautiful woman of the world. All of you know that the story of Egyptian beauty queen Cleopatra and how she has devastated the entire Roman Empire by extramarital affairs with Julius Caesar. You must be knowing the history of Hitler and how he was strongly influenced by Eva Braun and committed suicide with her. The history has recorded the life of many notorious women of the world. Today I am going to tell you the story of the most beautiful queen of Hungary, who was a criminal, murderer. She was born 460 years back. She was most cruelest of the cruel women in the history has recorded so far. She was known as Blood Queen, who used to bath in the blood of virgin girls. She was Elizabeth Bathory, whose name was recorded in Guinness World Record as most prolific female murderers of the world. Many novels are written on her life history. These novels are Countess Dracula by Tony Thome, The Countess, a novel of Elizabeth Bathory by Rebecca Jones, Infamous Lady, The True Story of Elizabeth Bathory by Kimberly L. Craft, House of Bathory by Linda Lafayette. Many movies have been made on her. These movies has Countess Dracula, picturized in 1971, Bathory, directed by Jure Jacobisco in 2008, Countess, picturized in 2009 and directed by Julie Dipley, Elizabeth Bathory, picturized in 2014 by Elizabeth Nixon, Thrust, picturized in 1979 by Rod Hardy. All these movies are horror movies depicting the activities, life history of Lady Dracula, Elizabeth Bathory. Friends, she was the most cruel woman in the history of the world. From childhood, she had observed how the officers in her palace were torturing and executing people in public. She was encouraged by family members to get involved in satanism and witchcraft. She was very beautiful queen, and she adopted blood harvesting of virgin girls for her bath with a belief that her beauty will be maintained by such bloodbath. Once her maid was hairdressing her and pulled her hair tightly. She was furious and hit the maid with candle stand, and the maid was bleeding. Her blood fell on her hand of the queen. In the night, the queen observed that the area where the blood fell looked younger than other portion of the skin. She developed a strong conviction that blood of virgin girls will sustain beauty and youth. From that day, she started harvesting blood from village girls in age group 10 to 15 years and killed them. She bathed in blood of virgin girls. She collected their blood in bath tube and bathed regularly. She employed teen girls from surrounding villages to work as domestic help in palace and killed them. She developed many devices and instruments to torture and harvest blood from girls. She was torturing girls, beating them, burning their bodies, cutting their hands, remove their flesh from face, from teeth, and other body parts, and finally kill them. She was hanging bodies of girls over bathtub and draining blood from their bodies for her bath. When girls from villages decreased, she developed strategy to lure girls from high family with lucrative salary to work with her in the palace. She has tortured and murdered not less than 650 girls. Eventually, the king of Hungary imprisoned her by cross-examining 300 witnesses in 1610. She was died in custody in 1614. Many folklores were emerged on her vampire and blood harvesting activities in Hungary. Ladies and gentlemen, have you any idea about such lady vampire who is Hungarian history has witnessed? Women are mother, sisters, wives, and caregivers and homemakers. They are the epitomes of love, kindness, and attraction. What do you think? Why such lady Dracula like Elizabeth Bathory are born? Please share your comments. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and do not forget to press bell icon so that you will receive our future videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.